Hello friends, my name is Ankit. I make educational videos on healthcare. I'm back with another video today on digital insurance card. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you regularly watch my videos, I would like to thank you for your support. Please like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to my channel for any future updates. In today's video, we'll talk about digital insurance card. What exactly is digital insurance card? Anyone who had medical insurance coverage of any sort in United States, they will understand what is a insurance card. It is a plastic card issued by the insurance company which has the members coverage detail for the medical and the pharmacy coverage. Similarly, the dental and vision service provider, they issue some paper-based cards in most of the scenarios. It's very inconvenient. The member has to always carry that card. If the card gets stolen, then it becomes an issue. How do the member gets their identity verified whenever they are visiting a provider? So there are a group of folks which are working rigorously to define certain standards so that we can ease the pain and improve the efficiency in the process and also reduce the billions of dollars of expense that health plans are making on yearly basis to print these insurance cards in the physical form. So moving forward, let's talk about digital insurance card implementation guide. It is a FHIR-based implementation guide which was born out of Carin Alliance Payers Implementers Forum, where representatives from major health insurance companies in the US, they came together to collaborate on the FHIR server implementation. In 2020, participants of the forum indicated a need for better guidance on how to represent the full data elements found on physical insurance card within a FHIR-based transaction. Payers can leverage the coverage information, the organization resource, and the patient resource to represent the essential information found on the physical insurance card. This implementation guide creates three FHIR profiles to enable the standardized exchange of the information. So the purpose of these three FHIR profiles are the C4DIC coverage profile. It is the Carin for the digital insurance card profile for the coverage resource that communicates the insurance plan information. C4DIC organization profile, it is the Carin for the digital insurance card profile for the organization resource that communicates the contact information for the plan, often found on the back of the physical insurance card. C4DIC patient, this is the Carin for the digital insurance card profile for the patient resource that communicates additional demographic information such as date of birth for the member whose date is being retrieved. Now, if we talk about the relationship between these profiles, between C4DIC coverage and C4DIC organization, there is a one-to-one relationship. Similarly, between C4DIC coverage and C4DIC patient, there is a one-to-one relationship with reference to the beneficiary. Now, let's talk about a scenario. When an individual visits a healthcare provider, they may be asked to provide proof of insurance prior to receiving care. Instead of relying on their physical insurance card, the individual may pull out their phone and open a digital application to display their insurance card information. This will assist in case of a lost or forgotten physical insurance card. The provider can capture the necessary information for proof of insurance based on the information displayed in the consumer-facing application. Now let's deep dive and talk about the technical workflow, how the digital insurance card concept will be implemented using FHIR. So in this scenario, we have multiple actors. We have consumer who are using consumer facing app, and we have health plan where they have health plan identity and access APIs, and then the health plan's FHIR API to retrieve and display the information. The first part of this process is solely related to the authorization. The consumer is presented with a list of potential payers to access. The consumer initiates the login and consent workflow using a third-party app. The health plan returns the information with the login information. The consumer or the patient, they enter the credentials, the identity is established, and the authorization tokens are generated. The ODC token and the patient ID, after this information is verified, the linking is successful. Now we move into the runtime workflow. So the patient tries to fetch coverage and associated resources. The request includes patient ID and token from the authentication phase. The payer process verifies the access token and fetches the requested resources, and the data is returned to the consumer facing app, and then the patient can receive and display the data for the users as appropriate. So basically in this workflow, the patient is using a third-party app. They request the digital insurance card information. Their identity is authenticated. Based on that, the health insurance or the payer company, they return that information on the third-party app UI, and the patient can display that information to the provider so that the provider can verify their identity and provide the coverage based on the defined benefits. The next couple of slides, they talk about the workflow that we have already covered. Hope today's video was helpful. For any additional details, please feel free to refer to the Carin Digital Insurance FHIR implementation guides. Look forward to your feedback regarding this video and if any new topic that you would like me to cover. Thank you very much, everyone. See you until next time. Have a good day.